Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Clipboard Extender version 1.0, we're going to talk about another great plugin that you may want to take advantage of. And this expands the capabilities of your copy and paste function. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much. Let's take a look. I have Eclipse open, and for this plugin, I'm going to open the plugin manager, and I'm going to go to Available, and I see Clipboard Extender in the list. I'm going to click on it and download, and then I will select it and enable it. I'll press OK, and I will allow Eclipse to restart when prompted. I'll choose my user and load it. And now let's take a look at what Clipboard Extender does. If I go to my plugin manager and select Clipboard Extender, we see that it adds a few different commands. First, it adds block, copy, stack. And this will copy whatever text you have selected, and it will store it in a rotating clipboard history, which stores up to 5 items. Next, there's block, copy, plus. This will do the same thing, except that it allows you to specify which of those 5 places in your clipboard the item is going to be copied to. And last is block paste plus, which allows you to select which of those 5 items you've added to your extended clipboard you're going to paste. So let's take a look. I'm going to open a file. And if I mark a word, I can go to block, and I see that I have copy stack, copy plus, and paste plus. And so if I just choose copy, it's going to add that to my copy stack. And if I go to paste plus, typically has been added in the first slot in my paste plus window. If I mark another word or series of words, I can again go to block, copy stack, and then block paste plus. And that item is now at the top of the stack because it was the last thing that I copied. Now, alternatively, what I have is the option to mark some text, choose block, copy plus, and choose where in the stack I'd like it to be. This way, if I want to retain something that maybe is my number 5 option, I can instead put this on number 3. And now when I return to block paste plus, that is listed on item number 3. And I can continue to mark things and use block copy stack or block copy plus in order to add things to my copy stack. And at any point, I can go to block paste plus and choose any of these options and OK in order to insert it into my document. You can also, of course, assign keyboard commands to each of these options. So I can go to User Settings, Edit, Keyboard, and then I can choose Add, and I can choose whether it's a standard key or a hyper key, and I can go to Block, Copy Stack, and I can do the same thing and add block, copy plus. And then I can do the last one of paste plus. So now I can mark a word and use copy stack to put it into my copy list. And then I can call in my copy block to insert it from my list. And that text is immediately inserted into my transcript. And so all of these different commands you can associate with keystrokes, and all this does is expand your clipboard and make it accessible and sort of editable for you. And again, you can find all these commands under the block menu. Copy stack will simply add whatever is highlighted to your copy list. Copy plus will allow you to specify which slot it appears in, and then paste plus will allow you to paste any of those slots into your document. This can be a very time-saving effort if you're finding that you're copying and pasting the same few terms over and over. Rather than having to copy one term and paste it, copy the second term and paste it, you can instead use the extended clipboard. This can speed up your editing and result in fewer errors. I hope that you'll go to the plugin manager today and give Clipboard Extender a try. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on your way out. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.